Hey everyone, I am in the hallway going into my pre-op appointment with Dr. Weaver. So let's go. This is where I go. Teddy. Kathy, Amber Kathy. All right, I am in the doctor's office now. This is what it looks like. Talks about all kinds of things. I am going to get that one right here, I believe. That one looks interesting, but looks more complicated to me. I was thinking about just getting this one, but if you think about it, all it is just making it smaller. It's not like it can't expand back to that size. So I think this is the safer one for me because you're not doing anything to the stomach. You're just closing it off and, you know, bypassing it basically, like it says. Whereas this one does look like it does both. I'm scared of that right there. I'm scared of that one. Looks like they have a support group. Okay. How much does this weigh? That's 5 pounds of fat in a body. Just left out of the doctor's appointment. She got me on the 23rd. So that is in the next couple of weeks, in a couple of days actually. So I'm gonna have to go and get my blood work and stuff drawn the day before surgery just to make sure everything is done and good. I want to check my A1C one more time to make sure it's still low. It has to be below an 8, so I need to go get some gas. So that's where we are. So I'm gonna continue to take you guys on this journey. I'm gonna take you to my pre-op blood work appointment, and then it'll be surgery time. So I'm back here about to get my blood work, EKG, everything done. All right, I'm back in. I don't know. Whatever. Maybe if I move the yeah, that's way better. Just came out of my pre-op appointment. Got my blood drawn and everything to make sure my A1C is at a good safe level, and you know my vitamins and stuff like that. I have to bathe with HyperCleanse, and sleep on clean bed, clean sheets, all that, and clean pajamas up until the day of surgery. Dial soap first, then I gotta get drenched in hyper-cleanse, then use a clean washcloth to thoroughly shoulders all the way down. Ooh-wee. Gotta stop taking certain types of medications right before. And I have to show up to the hospital. The hospital is right here in the same parking lot as where I did my pre-op. So I have to be here on Thursday, 5/22 at 5 a.m. My mom is coming with me. I have to stay overnight. I'm happy about that. That my mom is going to be able to be here with me. Glad I have my boyfriend as a backup just in case. But we're about to do this. My life is about to change again. This is the road to 40. And I'm happy about it. So see you guys on surgery day. No, I'm gonna go home and pack. I'm probably gonna talk to you guys and pack and what I've already bought and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna do that video when I get back. So see you probably later on today. This is the day before surgery. It's currently about almost 3 o'clock, so that means I'm on the clear liquid version of the pre-op diet. So that means I can only have water, Crystal Light, sugar-free lemonade, you know, Powerade, Gatorade Zero, decaffeinated tea or coffee, sugar-free popsicles, and sugar-free Jell-O. Currently drinking Gatorade Zero right now, so. But this is my protein packet. This is what I'm gonna have to abide by once I do have surgery. I have to consume 60 to 80 grams. I will go over this in depth if you guys want me to. I will. And I can even see if I can put this on a drive somewhere so you guys can download it yourself if you want to go on this type of diet. My surgery is at 8 o'clock in the morning. So by the time you're seeing this video, I'm probably out of surgery. Also, I have to wash with the cleanser they suggested and antibacterial Dial soap. Dial, then this. No moisturizers of any kind. Only deodorant and brushing my teeth. That's all I can do. I can't even sip water the day of surgery. Well, I sip just to take my medicine because there are some medicines that I do have to take that are on this sheet and some that I cannot. Like I can't have a diuretic. I already stopped that. Can't have my metformin. That was for my diabetes at all. I already stopped my Manjaro last week. So yeah, I just need to bring my emergency inhaler and take about 3 different medications, mostly for my epilepsy. So they want to make sure I have that, at least my first dose for the day for that. I have to be there at 5 o'clock in the morning. Gosh. So yeah, what I'm bringing to the hospital is myself, a change of clothes, my computer, and my chargers for my phone and my computer. And that's about it. I'm not bringing anything else because everything else is going to be supplied to me at the hospital. I don't have to bring anything. They didn't tell me I had to bring anything. Yeah. So I'm also going to get my B12 shot while I'm in the hospital. So I won't have to think about figuring out how I'm going to take my B12 after surgery. I think the B12 shot lasts about 3 months. So it gives me a chance to figure out if I want to take it liquid like. If you hear any shrieking, that is my 3-year-old. She's having the time of her life. But still, that's it. My mom is going with me. My grandma's going to be watching my children while I'm gone because I can't lift or anything over 30 pounds. Can't do a lot. Can't have any pressure and stuff. Took a couple days off work. I didn't do any like leave or anything. I just took a couple days off work because I had some time available for the rest of the year anyway. So might as well use it. But that's it. So if you want more in-depth videos about my journey or anything, of course I'm going to follow my journey because this is like my diary, this channel, so throughout life. So yeah, see you guys on the other side of bariatric surgery. I will update after my first month, second month, third month, and then I'll start doing the 6, 1, and then 2, just like my doctor wants me to come in and see them after surgery. And if there's anything else after that, I'll probably include it, but this is a lifestyle channel, so it's going to be a hodgepodge of different types of things anyway. So I don't want it to be all caught up on my weight loss because I really like beauty more than I like talking about my health issues. So I'm probably going to get geared up more towards the beauty side of it, like fashion, showing how to transition while you're getting smaller, stuff like that, and getting into beauty and hair and stuff, because that's one thing that I'm dreading or hoping that I don't even experience, which is a lot of hair loss. Yeah, so say some prayers for me, and see you guys soon. Day 3 in the hospital. I'm not in a lot of pain, but it's hard for me to move around. But they got me drinking Ensure Clear, which is really good. Yeah, I'm up here alone right now. Probably about to take a nap. But yeah, I got 6 incisions, and I'm tired, boss. Hey, you guys. I'm still in the hospital. My surgery actually did go well. I don't have anything wrong with my actual bariatric surgery. I'm still on the clear liquid diet. I'm on oxygen, and I also have a heart monitor. Most of my complications came after surgery, which is my oxygen and my heart. That's why I'm still here and they haven't released me. They're probably going to release me with oxygen tank on the way home. They're just trying to figure out, since I live out of the city, they're trying to see what insurance is going to cover in Mississippi to get the oxygen delivered to my house. But I feel okay. I'm walking around, drinking and everything. I'm fine. It's just my oxygen is too low for them to send me home and feel good about it. My doctor said I've probably been having low oxygen the majority of my life and just never noticed it because of my weight. So, yeah. My blood pressure is great. My blood sugar is awesome. So I haven't been taking any type of high blood pressure or diabetes medication. So that's great. The things that I've been given to ingest are like, they have these protein 2.0s, which is 15 grams of protein. And this, they also have been giving me the Ensure Clear in different flavors, and also Jello snack packs, as well as different types of broth, either beef or chicken, which is a little salty to me, so I haven't really been eating that. But yeah, I'm still in the hospital. It is currently Tuesday, the 27th of May. I had my surgery Thursday, May the 22nd. So, trying to get us up out of here and back home so we can get started with our new lifestyle. It's just a little road bump, so hopefully this doesn't discourage anybody. Because I really don't feel bad. I just want to go home. But I'm in the best place I need to be because of my oxygen. So yeah, prayers are needed to get me home safe. But I'm so glad the surgery went really, really well. Like, I really had a lot of gas pain, but it was more so my back, because when, out like a light and they transfer you over to the little gurney, they just place you where you look like you're comfortable. You might not be comfortable. So when I woke up, my back was all twisted up and hurt. So it took me a while to get my back pain under control. I still have stomach pain, like somebody unpoked me in my stomach. So it's not like unbearable. It's pretty bearable. Medicine for pain, they gave me Dilaudid, which I hated. That was too high of a dose for me, because it dropped my oxygen levels by 10% as soon as I took it. But all that pain was gone, but I wouldn't do that again. So now I'm on Percocets every couple of hours as needed. So, and I probably only do like 2 rounds of Percocets a day. I don't do them every couple of hours because I really don't need them. I usually do them when I first wake up in the morning to like get me up and running, and then but right before I go to sleep, because that's usually when my pain starts, is at night. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully the next video you see from me, I will be at home, and we'll see how much weight I've lost. Currently, when I first got to the ER, with the OR, they weighed me and I was 400 even. So let's see how much we have lost when we get home.